Good morning, everybody, on a beautiful, beautiful day today to honor our very good girlfriend, Sandy Bullock. She is truly, truly an amazing person, and I don't get up this early for anybody. She's a wonderful, wonderful devoted mother, a devoted daughter, and a devoted sister, and her sister Gazina, and her brother-in-law Ray, and her father John, and her baby Louie are all here today to pay tribute to what an amazing person she is.
To do something like this is overwhelming, and when I heard it was a possibility of happening, you're always overwhelmed with insecurities because you're together with amazing people and you don't feel like you've been amazing. And then a coworker said, stop being a narcissist. This is not about you. This is about leaving something behind for your son that's not embarrassing. And I realized that was a ridiculous statement because asking an actor not to be a narcissist is kind of like, you know, asking a bird not to poop while flying. It's just what they do. It's how we operate. But she was very accurate in that I needed to leave something behind that made my son proud. So I think today is about family, and not just the family we're born into, but the amazing group of people we get to work with every single day in this very interesting profession.
Straight ahead. Sandra, look up, please. Sandy. Sandy, up to your left. Sandy, look up to your right. Yes, Sandy. Sandra, here. Sandra, look up. Yes, Sandy. Sandra, right.